again, YouTubers. So I am sitting down today to do an unboxing of the newest 2018 Spring FabFitFun box. You guys know I love these. I have these sent to me, but I also purchase them quite frequently. Free People in Understated Leather, Kors. Let's see who else is on here. KNC Beauty, Murad, Anderson Lily. What is that one? I can't tell what this one is. It has some, like someone wrote over it. So I'm going to open it up and let's get started. Alrighty. If you guys haven't seen these yet, they actually come like this. They have like a little newspaper type of thing on the front of them. It has a $50 off HelloFresh. I already get HelloFresh, as you guys know. And this tells you some of the items and the exacts and like the options on all of the items. I'm not going to open this up because I like to be surprised, but I'm going to put this over here in case I need to know any information about any of them. Then it has tissue paper and it has a sticker that closes it. That is sometimes easy to open, sometimes not. You open it up and this is where we start. So let's see. First thing I see is this Etika. I don't know if it's a necklace or earrings. Oh, these are earrings. Let's see, let's see. Oh, these are cute. These are really cute. So they're black and gold and they're like little tassels. So they're a little bit stuck down right now, but they have movement to them. They're super, super lightweight. I like these a lot. They're really, really cute. At the end, I'll go through and tell you if there's any other colors that might come in your box. The last box, I actually went through and ordered another one because I love the eye palette. And I ended up with another necklace and another wrap. And I really liked it. This is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. See if it has a color to it. Batch number, expiration date. Nope. No name to it. Maybe on the inside. We'll take a look and see. Pretty packaging though. And then it comes in a little sleeve. And then it has plastic wrap on it too. Oops. Alright. Whoa! Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Like, it's a lip palette. Hold on, sorry. Comes with a lip brush. 2 different sizes and a color. And a clear sleeve that goes over it. But this is what it looks like. It has lots of really pretty colors in it. You can mix them and make colors you like too, which I always find fun. I haven't had a lip palette. I can't remember. The last lip palette I remember having was like a MAC one from like forever ago. And I really enjoyed having it. So that'll be fun to play with and stuff. Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. Let's see. What's the deal with this one? What is the Skin Perfecting? Just says Skin Perfecting Lotion. I thought it might say a little bit more. This is what it looks like. Murad products are great, great, great products. Anytime I get these skin products, because you guys know I use Obagi, anytime I get skin products like this, I actually use them on my neck and my chest. I use some Obagi there, but I figure that's a good way to do it. Kors Guava Body Butter. Ooh, I love a good body butter. Let's see. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells really yummy. Seeing how thick it is. There's a really pretty guava scent to it. I like that a lot. I like it. So far, so good. Rachel Polly, red and yellow. It comes in a little baggie like this. Oh, how cute. Come on. Oh, how cute. It's a fold over like bag. So you can either fold it this way and have a little bit of yellow sticking out, or you can fold it this way and have yellow with a little bit of that. Oh, this looks perfect for spring into summer. What a great little bag. On the inside it has, you won't be able to see it, a little bit of the material. The pocket inside has the material on it. That's really cute. Now I've got to flatten it back down and pull it up. That's super, super cute. Excited about that. I love that. Then a Dove exfoliating body polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. That's cool. I'll give that a shot. Then Dermalect, D-E-R, and then M-E, and then L-E-C-T, Makeover concealing ridge filler. Oh, it has to be like a nail polish. There we go. I'm guessing. Yeah, it is. It's a nail polish if you have ridges in your nails. This will go in my box of giveaways for you guys. Let's see here. Number 1, Manhattan Beach. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's a candle. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. Oh, wow. That smells really yummy. That's a very, very pretty candle. I have a gold one here on my desk, and I'm going to put this next to it. Yay. How fun. I like that. And then Free People. What? This feels heavy. It's a eye mask, but it feels heavy. Let me see if I can pull it out and see if there's anything different about it. Oh, you can like cool it or warm it, I'm guessing. And then it's an eye mask, a sleep mask. Probably cool it would probably be what you do. That's cute. MJ always steals mine. And then it looks like this is the last thing. Let's see. Sorry, we're kind of... This is the Physique 57 massage roller. Ooh, that'll be good. My calves are always tight. See results in 8 workouts. 8 weeks, I mean. And that's how it rolls. See how that moves? It's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. And that is everything in here. Let me pull up the newspaper real quick. And I'll just tell you if there's anything that I might have missed or like anything that comes with different options. So let's take a look here. All right, there are 3 different bags. The one you saw and then 2 others. You can see the 2 others right here. Sorry, this way. And then the roller comes in a couple different colors. There are 3 different colors for the eye mask. The lip palette, it looks like there's only one. The candle comes in Manhattan Beach, which I got, Fresh Linen or Super Bloom. The Skin Perfecting Lotion. It says Skin Perfecting Lotion, yes please. The ultra lightweight oil-free moisturizer helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy, also while providing hydration, minimizes appearance of pores, refines texture, and stores redness and relief. Cool. The Guava Body Butter is only in 1. Oh, I didn't get this. And KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. I didn't get that. Oh, okay. So you get one of these. There we go. You get one. Okay, so you would either get the body butter, which is here, or the eye mask, which is there. Same thing with the jewelry. You would either get the earrings in black that I got, or in light pink, or possibly a bracelet that's right over here. That's what it is. And then they noted which one you got. And then the concealing ridge filler and the body polish. And then just some information on, oh, Ish is by Alex Garza. She has a YouTube page. I used to follow her. I don't anymore. I don't know why. How to get the most out of your lip palette. Tells you about Rachel Polly that made the bags. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that lip mask was that one. Have you guys seen this? That looks like that. Where is it? Right here. That looks like kind of plasticky. I have seen people talking about that. Yeah, I think that's, nope, one more page. And then the earrings and the necklace and the copper cup. And yeah, the jewelry tins. So the bracelet can be one that says the word love on it, and it's a bracelet. I don't know why I went to my neck for that. So that is everything in my FabFitFun box, guys. I do have a discount code for you because they do send this to me, and I will put that right here for you and also post it in the description box along with a link. I love these boxes. They have all the boxes that are out there, I think, are by far the best value. They are just my favorite. As I said, if they weren't sent to me, I would buy it, and sometimes I even buy it anyway because I want extras of whatever it was they had in the box, or I love something so much that it's actually worth it to buy it in the box over trying to find a single item of it. Oh, the last time I wanted the mug too. That was the other thing I really liked. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, as always, please let me know. what else I am wearing. Today I have on Clinique Even Better Skin Tone Foundation, Laura Mercier Cream Contour, Too Faced Peaches Blush with the Pixie Peach Honey highlighter. On my eyes is Bobbi Brown Cream Shadow Stick in taupe, along with some MAC shadows. My Maybelline Brow Define and Fill in Auburn. Lips are, under eyes is Urban Decay Naked Concealer. With a little bit of Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer. Set under the eyes with Laura Mercier Translucent. Set my face with MAC Fix Studio Fix. I haven't used that in forever. And then on my lips is MAC Whirl with the Laura Mercier Paint Wash in Rose, Soft Rose maybe. Little t-shirt from BP. It's one of the ones that like twist ties in the front. My go-to Stella & Dot. I have mixed metals, gold and yellow. Yellow, gold, and silver on a silver chain. My Roberto coin necklace, just a David Yurman ring, my regular rings, my watch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. And as always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.